Okay, recommends that apply some grease to this pivot pin. It's can't think of the name now. Some kind of special grease that I guess goes good with the oil. But there's a bearing inside there. So try to get some in there. Okay, I did measure the stack height on my clutch and plates. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually measure what's on the new set. We'll find out here in a second. It's a little bit messy. So I do have the new set saturating oil, clean oil, matter of fact, what I'm going to be putting in the bike. I also will be dipping my new plates in there. Hopefully everything fits together. So the first, it's going to be a friction plate that's going to be going on there. So you can see the difference in OEM and barnett clutch plates. So I was getting 1" 900 on the stock. On these I'm getting like roughly 915, 920. 1" 910 thou to 9" 20 thou. So it doesn't seem like too much wear on the brake pad or on the clutch pads. Down there is your trying to find the proper name for it. It's called an anti-jitter spring. Make sure you have that installed. I was going to pull that off and clean it down there, but I'd much rather not mess with the direction because it is dished a certain way, so I'm just leaving that alone. See, first clutch plate does slip over that ring. And the process begins. So get back with you.